Investing is a crucial component of financial planning, enabling individuals to grow their wealth and secure their financial futures. There are numerous avenues through which one can invest, each with its own set of characteristics and potential benefits. In this essay, we will explore 4 popular investment options: the S&P 500, gold, cryptocurrencies, and real estate. Understanding these options can help investors make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. For instance, market-linked investments like the S&P 500 provide the potential for significant returns, but come with volatility risks. On the other hand, tangible assets like gold and real estate offer stability and physical ownership, appealing to those who are risk-averse. Cryptocurrencies, the newest among these, bring a blend of high-risk and high-reward opportunities, characterized by rapid price changes and a futuristic appeal. By examining these options side by side, investors can better understand where each might fit into their overall investment strategy.
The S&P 500 measures the stock performance of 500 large companies listed on U.S. stock exchanges. It's a bellwether for the U.S. economy. The index is weighted by market capitalization.
Investing is often done through index funds or ETFs. This provides simple exposure to the U.S. economy. It diversifies risk across many sectors.
However, it's susceptible to economic downturns. During such times, it can experience significant drops. Despite risks, it has historically provided robust returns.
Gold has been a valuable asset for centuries, serving not only as currency but also as a symbol of wealth and power. Its allure comes from its physical properties. It's durable, malleable, and doesn't corrode.
People invest in gold for several reasons. It's often seen as a safe haven during economic instability or inflation. Gold is also a tangible asset and can diversify an investment portfolio.
However, investing in gold has its drawbacks. Its price can be highly volatile in the short term.
Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum represent a radical shift in money. They use cryptography for security, making them hard to counterfeit. Their appeal lies in being an alternative to fiat currencies and enabling blockchain applications.
Most cryptocurrencies are decentralized, not controlled by any central authority. High returns have attracted many investors, with early adopters turning modest investments into fortunes.
However, cryptocurrencies are risky, with high volatility and potential fraud. Despite challenges, their potential to reshape financial systems keeps them in the spotlight.
Section 5. Real estate as an investment. Real estate investing involves the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of real estate for profit.
There are several ways to invest in real estate, from buying properties directly to investing in REITs. REITs offer liquidity and ease of entry at the cost of less control.
Real estate also carries its set of risks. It requires significant capital upfront, and the market can be affected by numerous factors.
Section 6. Comparative analysis, SP500, gold, crypto, and real estate. When comparing the S&P 500, gold, cryptocurrencies, and real estate, each investment has distinct characteristics that may make it more or less suitable depending on an investor's goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The S&P 500 offers ease of entry and historical returns, but is susceptible to market swings. Gold provides a stable store of value and a hedge against inflation, but lacks income generation and can be volatile in the short term. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and offer high potential returns, but come with significant risks related to regulation and security. Real estate offers potential for passive income and long-term appreciation, but requires more capital and active management. The choice between these investments should be based on a balanced consideration of these factors and personal circumstances. A diversified portfolio that includes elements of all these assets can help balance risk and return, capitalizing on the strengths of each while mitigating their weaknesses.
Section 7. Pros and cons of the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is favored by many for its simplicity and potential for growth. As a representation of large U.S. companies, it reflects the health of the American economy and offers investors a share in its growth. The accessibility of S&P 500 funds makes it easy for even novice investors to gain exposure to the stock market without the need to select individual stocks. Skeptical viewer. However, the simplicity of the S&P 500 can also be a drawback. It limits investors to large-cap stocks, potentially missing out on the higher growth rates of smaller companies. Additionally, its performance is closely tied to the economic conditions in the United States, making it vulnerable to domestic economic downturns. Despite these concerns, the historical performance of the S&P 500 suggests that it can be a valuable part of a diversified investment portfolio, particularly for those looking for long-term growth. Its wide acceptance and ease of access continue to make it a popular choice among both individual and institutional investors.
Gold's primary advantage lies in its ability to act as a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. Its value does not derive from its industrial utility or its use as a consumer good, but from its long history as a store of wealth.
This historical significance helps it maintain value over time, making it a favored asset during periods of inflation or geopolitical turmoil.
However, gold's stability can also translate into lower returns compared to more volatile assets like stocks or cryptocurrencies. Skeptical viewer. So what influences the price of gold?
Its price is influenced by a variety of factors including currency values, interest rates, and global economic conditions, which can lead to fluctuations that are unpredictable in the short term. The physical aspects of gold investment, storage, and security can also pose challenges. Despite these drawbacks, gold's role as a diversifier and a defensive asset can make it an attractive option for those looking to protect their wealth against inflation and economic instability.
Cryptocurrencies offer a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity. Their potential for rapid appreciation can result in substantial gains, drawing attention from both individual and institutional investors.
The underlying blockchain technology also offers transformative potential across various industries, adding to their appeal. Skeptical viewer. But isn't the volatility of cryptocurrencies a big issue?
Yes, the volatility of cryptocurrencies can be extreme. Prices can fluctuate wildly within short periods, driven by speculation, market sentiment, and regulatory news. This makes cryptocurrencies a risky investment, particularly for those with a low tolerance for risk or a need for stable, predictable returns.
Regulatory uncertainty is another significant risk. As governments around the world grapple with how to handle cryptocurrencies, future regulations could impact their value and usability. Despite these risks, the innovation and potential returns offered by cryptocurrencies make them an intriguing option for those willing to accept the possibility of high volatility.
Real estate investment offers tangible assets and potential for various income streams through rental income, property appreciation, and profits generated from business activities on the property. It's considered a stable investment compared to stocks and cryptocurrencies, often appreciating in value over time.
However, real estate requires significant capital upfront, which can be a barrier for many investors. It also involves ongoing maintenance costs, property taxes, and potentially property management fees, all of which can diminish returns. Skeptical viewer. What about the influence of local factors on real estate? Real estate markets can be influenced by local factors such as employment rates, the local economy, and government policies, making thorough research essential. Liquidity is another issue with real estate investments. Unlike stocks or bonds, properties cannot be quickly and easily sold without potentially significant price reductions. Despite these downsides, for those with the capital to invest and the patience to manage these assets, real estate can provide a reliable income source and a solid hedge against inflation. Investing wisely requires a thorough understanding of each investment option's benefits and drawbacks. Whether it's the broad market exposure of the S&P 500, the stability of gold, the innovative potential of cryptocurrencies, or the tangible assets of real estate, each investment avenue has something unique to offer. The key to successful investing is not in choosing one over the others, but in understanding how each can fit into a balanced, diversified investment strategy. Remember, the information provided here is not financial advice, but rather a foundation for further research. It's crucial for investors to conduct their own research, consider their financial situation, and possibly consult with a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. By carefully considering the pros and cons of each investment type and how they align with personal financial goals, investors can effectively navigate the complexities of investing and achieve their long-term financial objectives.